Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So today I'm here with Junoda Wig again. This box is really stylish. Looks very luxurious. The print, I really like that. So I open it and I'm seeing a drawstring bag with everything inside. So let's see. So there is a bag with goodies. Before we get to the wig, let's see what exactly is inside. So I have a edge brush and comb. I have a pair of wig caps. I have an elastic band branded Junoda. I also have this like information card with their social media, hair care, everything like that listed on the inside of this. Ooh, and then I got a pair of lashes. Those are really cute. And a little cute clip here that says Junoda. Don't mind my nails, guys. I'm gonna be doing them soon. So put these back in here. So that's all the goodies we got. And then lastly we have our wig. We got a gorgeous kinky straight, a highlighted kinky straight wig. It is a 4x4 closure wig, by the way. So you know what that means, right? Super quick and easy install in style, because this is super like a trendy color. You guys know highlights can never really go out of style. And this is 22 inches long, very full to the tip of the hair. It looks really good, really pretty, definitely giving Beyonce vibe. All right, it's very full. Am I getting shedding right out of the package? No, I am not getting any hair, so that's good. It has a little weight to it, but that's because it's so full, but it's not like uncomfortably weighty or anything. So yeah, so as I said, it's a 4x4 lace closure wig. It has elastic bands, like it has extra elastic bands on the inside in case you need more security. There are a total of 3 combs and then adjustable straps in the back. So that looks really, really good. So yeah, now that I've shown you guys this, let's go ahead and install this beauty. I don't want any of my hair out or anything at all. So I'm gonna be using some of this to camouflage. Now we're gonna install this closure as if it's a frontal. Okay, this is what my girl used, who just want to buy a closure but still want it to look like a frontal. You want it to look as natural as possible, and this is a 4x4, so you're not working with that much space. So yeah, we're gonna do it. Let's go. Just go ahead, slip that on. That's super snugged, by the way, like super snugged. So of course you guys know what I'm gonna do already. I'm gonna just go ahead and apply glue to these areas here. Okay, I did cut away the sides, so I'm gonna be using my Erica J Hold Me Down glue. The area is already cleansed and everything. I prepped it already. So yeah, just to clarify that. So just doing, this is just like literally one press down and go, as opposed to if you know you were doing the entire hairline, you'd have to like be repeating it like at least 2 or 3 times. This is just one time. So I'm applying 2 layers of glue to this, not a lot, and you could even do 1 depending on how long you want to keep it on still. It's all up to you. Now I'll have this on for maybe a day or 2, and you know, I can't tell when last I've ever done like a nice glue install with a lace closure. grabs it immediately when you know, I'm ready to lay the lace, which is exactly what I'm gonna do right now. Ooh, and the hold is, oh my gosh, the hold is so good. Anywhere that's lifting, don't be afraid to just lift it up. Apply some more glue to the area. Don't drop back the lace until it's clear and tacky, okay? So that's what I am doing now. Parting out. Listen, the soups them into 2023 with me. Come into 2023 with me. I'm not leaving them in 2022. No. I saw me the other day. They're saying like, oh, leave the soups in 2022. Like, what did the soups ever do to you? If you don't like the soups, then you don't do the soups. I always say that when you come onto edges, it's a very like, I feel like touchy subject. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. This is so melted. No, it's like a touchy subject. Like, if I want to do my soaps or my baby hairs, I'm gonna do them. Let people do what they want to do. You know, let people live. That's just me. Let people live. Alright, so I'm gonna get my wax stick. I'm gonna just go in with that to kind of flat down everything really nicely before proceeding to do any swoops or anything. Just get everything laid and out the way with my hot comb. Obviously, I'm gonna do a center part. Looking good. So easy to install. So I am getting shedding for sure, which I can definitely say, you know, this is processed. It's very normal, you know, when you have processed hair working with, that it will shed more. So you need to, you know, like be mindful of that. Go through this with my hot comb, so I'll speed up this section, and I'm actually going to straighten this. I'm gonna get this really nice and straight. flaring in the front. It looks so good. It's straightened really nicely. It has that really nice natural like texture. It is really nice with its movement. The lace looks good. It looks good. You could not tell. Like, I literally was just talking to my mother and she was like, that's a closure. Looks like a frontal. I told you. So yeah, Junoda did their thing once more with another bomb wig. Shout out to them. I am loving it. It looks good. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out, as well as the direct link. So if you're interested in getting this beauty, you can go ahead and do so. Alright, go ahead, check that out. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, so much, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and look myself. Bye.